know, Saptarshi, that today is the day to honor the most amazing invention in the world that has touched thousands of lives?
Really, Rupanshi? What's so special about today? Could you enlighten me a bit?
Well, today is World Radio Day, and on this occasion, I, Rupanshi Lalge,
And I, Saptarshi Chatterjee, welcome you all to Censor Radio.
we have two popular RJs in the house today, RJ Achal and RJ Karan, who will share their amazing and insightful experiences with us in the radio industry. Speaking of Achal, she is the news presenter and broadcast journalist at Asian Sound Radio Limited at Manchester, UK. She is our Subha Ki Chai, our Tazi Khabar. She has interned with BBC Delhi, BBC Lancashire, That's TV, NDTV, 2BR and ITV Grenada. She believes that the best way to reach the audience is via digital media, and she was a content writer, a social media strategist at VA Media Box Private Limited. We are glad you have joined us today, Achal.
Thank you so much, Rupanshi, for having me here. I'm just so excited for this segment, and I hope all of our listeners are excited to hear it as well.
Thank you, Achal. We also have RJ Karan in the house, who hosts Radio City 91.1 FM. He is popularly known as Apro Karan from his show in Mumbai and in the Bollywood industry. Apro means apna in Hindi. Yes, you got it right. You indeed feel that apnapan when you are tuned to his show, as it's thoroughly entertaining, and his fans also feel the same as they talk their heart out to him. He's worked with various celebrities in his tenure as a radio jockey. His show has garnered so much love and fame in the last 3 years that an auto rickshaw driver in Panvel has named his rickshaw as Apro Karan, which clearly showcases his dynamic and sweet personality. We are extremely delighted to have you here, Karan. Welcome to our episode.
Thank you so much, guys. I hope we can make some meaningful conversation today.
Yes, absolutely. Let's get started. Could you kindly take our audience through your radio journey, Karan?
So it's been like more than 6 years that I'm working in radio industry. I started with as an intern. Then I became a producer for the show. Climbed up the ladder and I have my own show since last 4 years now. And I think basically I was doing CA. Also, I was working in call center simultaneously. And while working in call center, I was made to realize that, I'm supposed to do some big things with my voice. Because call center, whenever you've called, I'm sure you might have gotten customer service and all. So I've always gotten like 9 and 10 and 9 and 10 always. So there was something always there, but I never realized. And in 2015, I decided to give it a try. When I was 25, I guess. I'm like, चलो एक बार कोशिश करके देखते हैं. If nothing happens, then I was very happily working in call center as a trainer. And in the meantime, I was also trying to clear my chartered accountancy exam. So I was like, अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ, तो I have something to fall back on. Luckily, again, by God's grace and थोड़ा मेरा talent भी, I used it very well. And yeah, here I am sitting and doing the show.
Wow. That's one hell of a journey, and I'm sure it's been a wonderful one for you up till now. And what about you, Achal?
Okay, so I'm a bacha in this radio industry because compared to Karan, you are my senior, okay? So you've got like 6 years of experience. Wow, that is amazing. So basically, my radio journey actually started when I started my bachelor's in the UK. I undertook international journalism at the University of Central Lancashire in Preston. It's just near Manchester. क्योंकि हर एक को छोटी-छोटी जगहों के बारे में इतना नहीं पता होता. It's just near Manchester, and it was an amazing experience. I mean, just the shock of it all, just to go from here and to be there. To be around people who you don't really know, away from mom and dad and ghar ka khana, all of that. So that's how my radio journey started.
Amazing. Both of your journeys are really inspiring. Now I want to know what motivates you to stay in radio when the world is shifting towards digital media like Spotify or Instagram or YouTube.
different mediums, yes. Obviously, we've got so many different things these days. It's actually quite scary for the old ones, because they're like it's just intimidating, because kitna kuch naya aata hai, and we keep on jumping from one to another. That's how our generation is. We are fast paced, always moving. However, when it comes to radio ना, एक चीज की है जो आपको कहीं और नहीं मिलती है. Like कभी आपने बैठ के रेडियो सुना है, उसमें ऐसा लगता है कि कोई सिर्फ आप ही से बात कर रहा है, आप ही के लिए बात कर रहा है, और उस चीज में ना जो मजा है वो आपको इंस्टाग्राम, स्पॉटिफाई, यूट्यूब ये सब में नहीं मिलता.
No, I think what she says is absolutely correct. So first of all, it's a free medium. You don't have to do anything. Also, it's a passive medium. While listening to songs on YouTube or any other music apps, you have to physically browse, make sure you have your playlist. Yeah, it does play on loop as well, but you have to set a playlist and then the songs will play. Here, listening to radio, you don't have to do anything. Just sit, पीछे radio channel लगा दो जो तुमको सुनना है. Background में everything goes on. And yes, one thing which I really like about radio, which Achal also pointed out, is instant gratification. No one gratifies you instantly. And we have to evolve. Evolution is never going to stop. Digital is the thing right now, at least for the next 5 to 7 years. That's what I see. So we always keep evolving. जो रेडियो पे बोलना होता है वही चीज अगर हम डिजिटल पे डाल दें, what's wrong in there, what's the harm, और कर लेते हैं हम लोग यार. It's just evolution is there. We have to keep learning, have to accept the new.
Totally on point, guys. Very logical and relevant points made there. Directing the next question to Aanchal, if you had your own radio channel, what would be the tagline of the same?
See, I've got a very cliche one. It is when words fail, music speaks. I think that is my anthem or tagline, whatever you want to call it.
That's perfectly summed up. And also, what's the best radio campaign you've witnessed so far, Karan?
There are many actually. Since last 3-4 years, I've been in the planning part of the campaigns, because I only lead them. There's one black and white Holi which we've done like 3 years back, where we painted more than 500 speed breakers in Mumbai. And जैसे Oscars award होता है, वैसे रेडियो का इंडिया में award होता है, which is called Golden Mic. And we won a gold award there because of the campaign. And the jury also said, hands down,
Amazing.
We've never seen any campaign like this. And also for Mumbai Dabbawalas, which they were really struggling, such an impossible figure I did for them. I can't even think about it. 21 lakhs is what we've collected for them. So, yeah.
Wow. Brilliant.
Well, those are indeed some thoughtful campaigns, Karan. Next question for you guys is, how has radio evolved over the years and what makes it relevant even today?
For me, over the years in radio, something has changed is that we can take sides, I can raise my voice, give out my opinion if I'm not happy with something or if I'm happy with something. Generally, pehle itna nahi hota tha. I'm able to give my opinion now. I think that's what has made the radio more real. Achal, how about there? How it works there?
Yeah. So with regards to, I think, evolution in radio, I think, so I have some colleagues which are pretty old as well. So they've been, so this radio station has been here for like 25 years. It's been a long time. Now, they share their experiences and I will share what I have observed as well. So with regards to radios, I don't think firstly we used to have these social media handles कि कहीं आप जाके उसको दोबारा से सुन सको या कोई highlights आप सुन सको रेडियो के. जो होता था सब live होता था और आपने सुनना होता था, एक टाइम पे आपने उसको ट्यून इन करना होता था, and that used to be it really, है ना. But now we've got this flexibility and feasibility कि हम अपने आप जाके we can actually listen to it. थोड़ी recordings होगी या कुछ होगा या कोई एक snippets उन्होंने डाले होंगे. So if you go check out their websites, check out their apps, they've got so many things that you can listen to now. As well with podcasts as well, people listen to it, they download it, they start listening. People listen to radios while they're running, while they're going for a jog, because they have the apps downloaded and they just stream in directly. Now this never used to happen. There used to be a घर, there used to be मम्मी आरती कर रही है इधर और वहाँ पे एक रेडियो उन्होंने ट्यून इन कर दिया है और वहाँ पे वो खाना बन रहा है और वो पूजा और ये सब हो रहा है. This used to be the environment and that used to be a very sort of एक ही जगह पे रेडियो होता था, ऐसा होता था. But now it's on the go. Wherever you go, you can listen.
Oh my. That was very wholesome and insightful at the same time, guys.
A lot.
And I'm really sure that being opinionated and flexible have really helped you to in evolving, immensely as modern RJs. All right. The following question is for you, Aanchal. So how challenging was it to establish a position in the British radio segment, especially when your origin is from India?
So yeah, this is actually a blockbuster question.
Yeah, I also have one question. Do you get paid in pounds or rupees?
I get paid in pounds, but that's equal to rupees. How I should be getting paid in rupees. So actually, it comes out to be very equal, to be honest, Karan sir. So the question, yes, that you asked is, how did I establish myself? तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि बहुत रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. पता है, हर चीज का कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं होता है. यू हैव टू पुट इन हार्ड वर्क. सो वेदर इट्स द ब्रिटिश मीडिया और यू चूज इंडियन मीडिया. अगर मैं यहाँ होती, यहाँ पे पढ़ी होती और यहीं पे मैंने अपना इफ आई वुड हैव सर्च फॉर जॉब, इट वुड हैव बीन इक्वली टफ. क्योंकि कहीं पे भी आपके चैलेंजेस अलग हो जाते हैं, हर जगह के अलग अलग होते हैं. ऑब्वियसली वहां पे एडिशनल ये थे दैट देयर इज अ कल्चर शॉक व्हेन यू गो देयर. यू हैव यू आर नॉट क्लोज टू होम. You are away from your ghar ka khana. All of these things matter, and each and everything then comes together and makes a big thing that you are that's more challenging for you to overcome. But I think perseverance, that you will do it. And this thing that people start underestimating you because of your color or because of where you're from. Now this is something that we all know about. This is not new, right? So we know कि कोई देखेंगे हमें तो वो कहेंगे ठीक है. पहले तो वो ये सोचते हैं कि इंडिया है, पाकिस्तान है, ये सोचने लग जाते हैं. हिंदू है, मुस्लिम है, ये सब चीजों से निकल के टू एक्चुअली प्रूव योर सेल्फ, टू एक्चुअली प्रूव योर कैपेबिलिटीज कि भाई ये सब मैटर नहीं करता है. दिस इज माई टैलेंट एंड आई एम हियर फॉर वर्क. ठीक है, दिस इज बिजनेस एंड आई डोंट केयर what you think, where I'm from, my color, my the way I speak, my accent. You might not like it, but I'm going to work on it. I'm going to prove you that I am worth it.
I couldn't agree more with you, Aanchal. Well, now we have a small and exciting game for you before we wrap up, wherein you will have to guess certain brand jingles for us. Here goes the first one.
Okay, then let's see. Ooh, no pressure. I think I know this.
I know this.
I think I know this. Go on then.
यार एक हिंट दो. This is like the 90s wala jingle. I don't know the name. Ek hint though, I think it's kapda related.
The biggest hint is your occupation.
I see. That's why I'm telling you. It's like
All India Radio.
Exactly. That's the one, because it's like Doordarshan kind. So I was like, come on, you can do it.
So Karan is the winner now.
To be very honest, I've never heard All India Radio. There's one friend of mine in Mumbai who does a show in All India Radio, and that day she forced me. I'm like, I'll only listen to your show if you say my name right now on air. So she was on air, I was in my car, and she said my name. So I'm like, yeah, thank you.
Wow. Okay, next one. Let's see.
Yeah.
ये तो हो गया. Pepsi. Coke.
Yeah, no, now this time Aanchal is the winner. He has guessed in like 2 seconds or less than 2 seconds.
हाँ, वो आवाज आती है ना गटकने की, तो ये लाइक ये वही होगी.
यार पेप्सी की भी हो सकती है, वो ठीक है.
हाँ, exactly. It would be very similar.
Okay, next.
1-1 is the score. Yeah, I'm keeping the track. Yeah.
दोस्त हमारे नौकरी पेशा, हुक्म बजाते टाई लगाते, बॉस की सुनते क्लाइंट की सुनते, घर पहुंचते तो सर चकराते. हमने खोला अपना बिजनेस, टाइम पे जाते टाइम पे आते, क्योंकि आजादी से जीना हमारा शौक है. शौक बड़ी चीज है.
पता नहीं. Yeah, I'm also shocked. I don't know this.
It's something to do with shock. Like क्या शौक होगा, क्या होगा इस पे? Think.
पान का शौक.
पान.
टीवी में देखा है,
मुंबई
टीवी
में
में
नहीं
देखा
चलता होगा.
Okay, so I'm so sorry. This was bad.
So
Yeah.
it's
Next.
it was
One all है ना दीदी?
Let's play one
So-
and winner. Okay, the one who gets it is the winner.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is the last jingle, and whoever
Okay.
guesses it first will be the winner. Okay.
Okay, let's see.
Dhak 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 dhak. Can you give us hint? Oh shit!
I think I
I know
know.
this.
Go on.
Hint.
Go on.
I don't know hint.
It has something to do with days. We used to
Malgudi
get
days?
lot of- Yeah, correct. But what it is related to?
Malgudi
You
days
are
is
like-
related to what?
80% correct. But there is a brand who has been associated with this.
Come on now,
Yeah,
Karan
hint
sir.
is
You
boat.
can do it. I won't know. Come on.
I have no clue. Malgudi days, I have no clue.
Hint is it is related to some boat.
Which boat?
Boat.
Some
Now.
boat.
Acha, boat.
Boat.
Malgudi days or boat? पता नहीं यार,
कोई
80%
boat
दे
वाला
दो यार.
brand. Some boat वाला brand.
Yeah,
मेरे से तो वैसे
ये
You can do it.
ship.
You can do it.
Old Spice.
No.
Old Spice has boat. Paper boat.
Paperboat.
Yes.
I said paper boat first. Yeah.
Yeah. You win this, Karan sir, because you actually guessed Malgudi days. I didn't guess that, so you actually win this.
So we have Karan as our winner here. Congratulations.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Achal. We'll stay in touch.
Thank you.
Thank you, Achal. Thank you, Karan.
Thank you,
guys so much. You were amazing. Thank you. Bye.
And with this, we conclude our episode. Thank you so much for being our honorable guests and giving us insights about the modern era of radio. We wish you both good luck and once again wish our audience a very happy World Radio Day. Stay tuned to Simsar Radio.